Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of my studio diaries where I show you a little bit of the behind the scenes behind my candle brand, Hi Sunday. In today's video, we're gonna pack 16 candles for an order, plus one more. So these are it right here. They are our Aster candles. It's our little bear with rose detailing. I'm gonna have to prep them, trim the wicks, package them and send them out today. And then I have one small order to pack also. It is this one here. This is called Brighton, after Brighton Beach. And then Aster is of course after Aster Place in New York City. And this is in a rose patchouli scent. It's just our little ball of roses. All right, so that's what we're gonna do today, and let's start. Okay, so this customer ordered 16 of our Aster candles. How cute are they? They are unscented. Today we're going to start packing this up for shipment. For our last step, we're just going to insert these candle care cards into the boxes and we're going to pack it right up. For today's final candle, I have this one here. This is the Brighton candle in rose patchouli scent. Just going to trim the wick and then prepare the box. I have the sticker here somewhere. No, I don't. Hold on. So I have the sticker here. Just gonna put this on. This one requires a larger box because it's a larger candle. There we go. And then to wrap this baby up, oh, so this is honeycomb paper, which helps with cushioning. No care card. Let's put two. The shape test, and there we go, ready to be sent out. All right, we got the tissue paper in, and then biodegradable peanuts. All right, it is all ready to go. Another one all packed up. So I just got a delivery from one of my suppliers. An order I put in to kind of re-up everything. Let's open it up. Alright, so I put in an order to replenish some of my stock of fragrance oils because I was selling out really fast and they were having a sale for, I believe, President's Day, but I can't remember. I also got a few more samples. I think that should be it. Yeah, it wasn't a crazy order. Alright, that's it. Interesting. Ooh, this one's really sweet. I'm not sure if I like that. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, this could be a good contender. Okay, so I have one more thing to show you in this video before I sign off. It is the making of this candle here. This is one of our large Easter egg candles. It is in a floral design, so it's really pretty. And a customer ordered this, so I'm gonna get this poured and I'll do a unveiling for you guys too. Okay, we will check back in when it's all set and ready to unmold. All right, good morning. It is time to unmold this and show you guys what Gramercy looks like. So this is our Gramercy candle. It kind of looked like a dragon egg, but with flowers on it. And it smells so good. This is in the scent Yuzu Blossoms, and it's a very citrus meets floral scent. It's really perfect for spring. Anyways, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching another studio vlog and some behind the scenes of my candle brand. I will be packing up a retailer order later today, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!